If you're wondering how to configure user permissions in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know, step by step, so you can get your user permissions set up the right way without wasting any time. Whether you're managing a small team or scaling up, understanding these settings is key to streamlining your CRM and protecting sensitive data. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you an even better alternative for achieving this goal more effectively. First thing you need to know is that TeamGate CRM lets you control access to different parts of the system, and configuring user permissions is simple once you understand where to find the settings. So, to get started, log into your TeamGate account and head to the settings area by clicking on your profile in the top right corner. You'll see the user management section, which is where all the magic happens. Next thing, once you're in user management, you'll see a list of all your users. Here's where you can add new users or modify the permissions of existing ones. To add a new user, click the Add New User button. You'll enter their name, email, and assign them to a role. This role determines what areas of the CRM they'll have access to. Now, let's talk about roles and permissions. TeamGate has predefined roles, such as admin, sales rep, and manager, each with different levels of access. But if these don't quite fit your needs, you can customize them. Custom roles allow you to tailor permissions based on your organization's needs. For instance, you can give users access only to certain features like deals, contacts, or reports. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the concept of access levels. This means that for any given user, you can choose between full access, read-only access, or no access at all. If you want someone to only view data without making any changes, you'll give them read-only access. If you need them to manage deals, set tasks, or view financial reports, full access is the way to go. Next, let's discuss how to handle permissions for your team when it comes to sensitive data. You might want to prevent certain users from seeing confidential information. TeamGate allows you to configure permission settings down to the specific fields in a record, which is useful when handling customer data or financial information. You can restrict access to certain sections for added security. One important thing to consider is that TeamGate CRM doesn't offer granular permissions like some other CRM systems. While you can assign access at the role level, it can sometimes feel limiting if you have more complex requirements. This is something to keep in mind if your business is growing fast or if you need a higher level of customization for permissions. The last thing you'll want to know about configuring user permissions in TeamGate is how to set up notifications. You can choose to notify certain users about updates, tasks, or changes. This ensures your team stays on top of things without missing a beat. It's essential for keeping everyone aligned and avoiding confusion when working on collaborative projects. Now, here's the twist. While TeamGate is a solid CRM with good permission settings, if you're looking for a CRM that gives you more control and flexibility over your user permissions, I'd recommend checking out Competitor CRM. It offers more customization options, making it easier to control user access across departments and teams. Plus, it has a better user interface that streamlines your workflow. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that through the link in the description, you can get an exclusive and extended free trial for Competitor CRM. But don't worry, we've also included links to other great alternatives that might be a better fit for your specific needs. All of them offer free trials, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, make sure to check them out.